In our today's discussions, we will going to talk about a person who is close to everyone's heart, our beloved Bharat Ratna ex-president Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. The Bharat Ratna Pranab Mukherjee served as the 13th president of India from 2012 to 2017. He was a senior leader in the Indian National Congress and occupied several ministerial portfolios in the government of India. The Pranab Mukherjee, the former president of India, was born into a Bengali family at Mirathi, a village into the Bengal Presidency of British India, now in Birbhum district, West Bengal. His father, Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee, was active in the India's independence movement and was member of West Bengal Legislative Council between 1952 to 1964 as an representative of Indian National Congress. He was also the member of AICC. His mother was Raj Lakshmi Mukherjee. He had two siblings, older sister Annapurna and younger brother Piyush. The Pranab Mukherjee attended the Shuri Vidyasagar College in Shuri, Birbhum. The college affiliated to the University of Calcutta. He subsequently earned an MA degree in Political Science and History and LLB, both from the University of Calcutta. He started his career as an upper division clerk in the office of Deputy Accountant General Post and Telegraph in Kolkata. In the year 1963, he became lecturer of political science at Vidyasagar College, Kolkata. He also worked as a journalist with the Desher Dak before entering politics. Pranab Mukherjee got his break in politics in the year 1969 when the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi helped him get elected to the Rajya Sabha on the Congress ticket. He then became minister in her cabinet in the year 1973. His ministerial capacity culminated in his first stint as a finance minister in the year 1982 to 1984. He was also elected as a leader of the Rajya Sabha in the year 1980 to 1985. The Pranab Mukherjee was sidelined in the Congress when the Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister. The Pranab Mukherjee, after assassinations of the Mrs. Gandhi, formed his own political party called the Rashtriya Samajwadi Congress, out of losing the power struggle against the Rajiv Gandhi. After Rajiv Gandhi's assassinations, his career revived when he was appointed as a planning commission's head in the year 1991 and foreign minister in the year 1995 under the P.V. Narasimha Rao government. Mukherjee was principal and architect of Sonia Gandhi's accession to the party's presidency in the year 1998. The Pranab Mukherjee was appointed defense minister under Manmohan Singh's first terms after 1995, but his portfolio changed to the External Affairs Ministry in the year 2006. He then served as a finance minister from 2009 to 2012 under second term of Manmohan Singh's UPA 2. He then appointed as a president of India in the year 2012 and his term came to an end in the year 2017. He was then awarded India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, in the year 2019 by the present President of India, Ram Nath Kovind. The father figure of Indian politics passed away 31st August 2020. That is all from today from us. See you tomorrow.